Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we are here with an important and helpful video about what to do if you forget your mobile phone password. Don't worry, we have a simple and effective solution for you. In this situation, the only option we have is to restore the mobile phone. Here, we are using an Oppo Mobile for this tutorial. So, stay with us till the end of the video. First, we are going to power off the mobile phone. To do this, press and hold the power button and the volume up button together, then slide the power option down to turn off the device. The mobile phone is now powered off. Next, press and hold the volume down button and the power button together until the phone screen turns on. As you can see, the device is now starting up. Please wait for the recovery interface to appear. Once it appears, you need to select your preferred language. We are selecting English. Now, in the recovery menu, click on the Format Data option. After that, you will see a verification code on the screen. Simply enter the displayed code correctly. And then tap on Format to begin the process. Please wait a few moments while the phone formats all the data. Once the process is completed, you will see a confirmation message showing that the data has been formatted successfully. Now, click on OK. Finally, wait for the mobile phone to restart. Now, go ahead and select your preferred language. Click on Next. After that, choose your region and click on Continue. Carefully accept the legal information by ticking the required checkbox. Click on Next. Here, remember one important thing: if your mobile phone has a Google account connected to it, then you must connect the device to a Wi-Fi network in order to continue the setup process. If there is no Google account linked to the phone, then there is no need to connect to Wi-Fi. In our case, there is no Google account connected, so we will simply skip this step. Now, scroll down and click on Accept. If you want to sign in with your Google account, you can do it here. Also remember, if a Google account was previously added to the mobile phone, you must enter that account information before continuing the setup process. Since our device does not have any connected Google account, we will skip this option again. Next, choose the type of navigation style you want to use on your phone and then click on Next. Now, if you want to set a new password, PIN, or pattern lock, you can do it here. We do not want to set one right now, so we will simply skip this step. Finally, click on Done. The complete process is now finished. The mobile phone has been successfully restored, and the previous password has been removed. Now click on Get Started. As you can see, the password has been removed successfully, and the mobile phone is now working perfectly fine again. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the video and learned something useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and tech videos. See you in the next video.